Greetings everyone, this is Kamishita from Kamishita's Corner, and I'm just giving a little update on my plants. So, I have, all of the plants are growing really well except, well, I can't say except, but I have a bit of a problem. They're like these little teeny flies, I think they're called gnats. I don't know if they're showing up. Maybe you can see them if I get them to fly around. Anyway, this is the chard. This is the ginger, which is pretty cool. It's growing. I don't know what the roots are looking like underneath the ginger. They're getting really tall. These are my Italian peppers. Now, the Italian peppers have grown tremendously. They're really, really tall. And they're getting some flowers. There's one there. If you look at this one, there's some here. And this one has some small flowers. You can see it right here. So that's pretty cool. Now, I was just looking in this plant the other day, and I had planted in this pot 2 avocado seeds and the 2 Italian peppers. Now, the Italian peppers I bought as small plants, so they've grown a lot, especially the ones in the pot back there. And there's also some like onion in this pot back here. I don't know if you can see them. But in this pot, I put the avocado seeds, and I'm looking in this the other day. I'm like, wait a minute. I put sticks here to show. Yes, my daughter's bugging me for a watermelon. I put sticks there to show where I planted the avocado, and I'm looking in there today, and I'm like, what is that? That stick looks really weird, and I realized it's not a stick. It's the avocado started growing. It took a while. There's even ants in here. I don't know if you guys can see the ants. There are ants in there, those little gnats. So I got these things that I ordered, and here's the collard greens over there in the corner. I have these little sticky paper things that I ordered, and this is the basil, looking like it needs some more watering. I think I need to put some more water in that pot. And the basil is also flowering at the top. So these plants are growing nicely. So yes, I ordered these little sticky thingies. There's an ant on my leaf. I don't know if you guys can see the ant. There it is. And ants have been crawling on my soaping table. It's been driving me nuts. But yeah, so these plants are growing a lot. And this is the rosemary. And I wanted to plant some potatoes. So I have some potatoes that have started to sprout. I have onion, garlic that has started to sprout. So I need to get, of course, more pots because I have no more pots. And I'm going to probably put them in my room in the back, in my bedroom, and try to put them back there away from these. So in hopes that they don't get bugs in those plants. Yeah, so we're dealing with these little gnats. I ordered the little sticky paper. And they said that you can use like neem oil and some other things as well. Demicaceous earth. It's like this little powdery earth. They said you can do bottom watering instead of top watering. So we will see what will work. But I'm definitely going to get the little sticky pads. I ordered them. They're coming in the mail. They just haven't gotten here yet. Only thing that grew in this one was the chard. I did put some lettuce in here too, but that didn't grow. Only the chard grew. So I'm happy with these plants, and I'm going to show you my other ones. Okay, so these are the other plants, and I don't know if y'all can, I'm going to step back some so you can see that really humongous plant going all the way up my window is the broadleaf thyme. It is growing like crazy. Look at the broadleaf thyme. Look at this. It's growing way out here. And this one, it's growing into the mint. So this is the mint right here. Let's move these curtains out of the way. This is the mint right here. And this is just growing into it. So I'm supposed to be giving my friend some of this thyme, and I keep, well, when I saw her last, I forgot. to give it to her. See, this is the shadow Benny that I never knew was called shadow Benny. I thought it was shallow Benny. Then come to find out that it's actually called, it looks like it's needing water too. It's getting yellow. So we've been having a lot of heat, and these windows are. And here's the garlic and the onion. Let's put that in the sun so you can see better. So I just kind of put it in water. I want to put it in dirt. And I also have the potatoes that are actually still sitting at the top of my refrigerator. Give me a second. I'm going to show them to you. So I purposefully kept them in this little bag so that it can sprout and grow. And because that's how the other one started to sprout. I think one might be going bad. Uh-oh. Okay, I'm going to just leave this up here. But they're growing already inside the bag. I'm just going to pull this down so you can see the... Oh, no, you can't see it. Oh, sorry, my hand. But you can see them growing inside the bag. Let's see if I can get it out. One is a sweet potato. Uh-oh, it's molding. I think I kept it in here too long. Yeah, I kept it in there too long. I don't know if I'll be able to save that or not. We will see, but I think maybe I'll just take it out. So I can show you if I can get it out. Yeah, it started molding, but it started rooting as well. So this is a sweet potato. So I want to plant this and see if it'll plant even though it started molding. I don't know. We'll see. I think I'm just gonna put this right here for a second. And the other one, did the other one start growing? I'm not sure. I think that one might be going bad. Yes, it is. It's going bad. And these were little fingerling potatoes, and they're going bad. So I don't think I'm going to try to plant those. But that's the sweet potato. So I'm going to try to save that. We'll see if it happens or not. I will keep you updated. But yes, this is my first attempt at, well, no, my second attempt at growing, but my first attempt at being successful with growing. Now, the onions that I planted a long time ago are still underneath this broadleaf thyme. It's there, but you can barely see it. It's there. It's split back there. I don't know if you can see it right there. But I don't know if that's gonna turn into an onion or not. I don't know. I'm clueless. It was a scallion, so. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I will keep you updated on my plant life at Kamisha's Corner. And please like, share, subscribe. Hit the notifications bell so you can get notified the next time I share a video. Bye for now.